It's been a great opportunity to introduce myself. This is Pooja Sheila Vandula. I was born and brought up in Maharashtra, Sangli. I completed my D Pharmacy. Coming to my family, we are 5 members. My father's name is Mr. Koteshwar Rao. He is a carpenter. My mother's name is Varlakshmi, Mrs. Varlakshmi. She is a domestic goddess. I have one brother. My brother name is Keshwachari. He is a doctor. My sister name is Vidya. She is a homemaker. Thank you.
One and all. This is Tulasi. I would like to ask a question on preposition. Tulasi has a few chocolates in her bag. First question. Tulasi has a few chocolates in her bag. Second question. Tulasi has few chocolates in her bag. Anyone know these two sentence meaning? They can say. Tulasi has a few chocolates in her bag. Second question. Tulasi has few chocolates in her bag. Difference and both difference. Both sentence. లోకి ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయాలి.
Okay. Your questions will be answered after break by these people. ఎవరొకరు బ్రేక్ తర్వాత కొంచెం ఆలోచించుకుంటాయి. That is not a preposition related question. That is
preposition related question.
Where is the preposition in that?
Sir, a is there no sir. A few
అనేది preposition కాదు.
ఒక మీనింగ్
Okay, your intention is correct. ఏ అక్కడ ఇన్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఉంది. ఏ ఫ్యూ దా ఫ్యూ అని మూడు ఉంటాయి. లైక్ లిటిల్, ఏ లిటిల్, దా లిటిల్. ఇవేంటి యాడ్జెక్టివ్స్. యాడ్జెక్టివ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే అప్పుడు సరే. ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాగ్ రెండిట్లో సేమ్. ఓకే, ఇది యాడ్జెక్టివ్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్. తెలుగు మీనింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. ఏ ఫ్యూ దా ఫ్యూ ఉపయోగిస్తే సెంటెన్స్ మారిపోతుంది. ఎలా మారుతుంది అనేది మీరు చెప్పారు, లేదంటే నేను చెప్పి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
Morning one and all. It is very glad to introduce myself. I am Harshini Basala. I am currently studying 10th standard in Vashyam Blooms. I was born and brought up in Guntur. Coming to my family, we are 4 members. My father's name is Harish Babu, Mr. Harish Babu. My mother's name is Ashoka Rani. My father is a businessman. My mother is a domestic goddess. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Sai Vishnu Kailash.
ఇంటర్వెల్మెంట్ చేద్దావా? ఇంటర్వెల్మెంట్. I would like to do something. మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి.
Good morning to everyone. I
would like to introduce myself.
I would like to introduce myself. I am Sai Vishnu Kailash. My father's name is A. Mohan Kumar. He is a businessman. My mother's name is A. Bulakshmi. She is domestic goddess. My sister's name is Devi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So అంటే ఆర్డర్ చెప్పలేదు, బట్ సమ్హౌ యు రైట్.